If you've decided that you want to delete your VN account, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to permanently delete your VN account. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand that deleting your VN account is irreversible. Once you delete it, you'll lose all your projects and data associated with the account. First things first, open the VN app on your device. Locate the VN app and tap on it. Now head over to the account settings. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to access the profile. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Now that you're on the settings and it's time to find the delete account options, scroll down until you see the option for delete account or account management. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see a warning about deleting your account. This is your last chance to reconsider. Read through the information provided. If you're sure, tap confirm or delete account to proceed. Now once you confirm it, your VN account will be permanently deleted. If you ever decide to return to VN, remember that you'll need to create a new account since the old one is gone forever. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your VN account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.